Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to change your profile image on Asana. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you got started with using Asana and you want to go ahead and change your profile image so that your team members can actually see an image of you. How do you actually go ahead and change your profile image? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to Asana. Next, click on the profile icon on the upper right-hand corner. And then from here, go ahead and click on Settings. Once you click on Settings, you can either upload a new photo or you can remove your current photo. So if you click on Upload a new photo, it'll prompt you to actually select a photo from here, and there you have it. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and change your profile image on Asana. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.